parrots, potatoes, pineapple. These are the things he has brought with him. Europeans took more and more native people as a slave. They made the native people slaves. After 30 years, few native people were left. Underline this sentence. 30 people were left. Honey, the English word hammock comes from the native Bahamas people word for their bed. Europeans had never seen hammocks, soon they put hammocks in their ships for the sailors. Now come on the next page, so we have to read this only one portion and then we have to write down the question answers. It's a long chapter. Now what happened when the Spanish made their colonies in the South America? Now you have to find the Hispaniola in the map. It is not on the map. We are on page 86. They have said find on page number 84. Page number 84, Hispaniola. Look at the map at the top of the page.
I have found Hispaniola.
And you have find?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, I have also found it's near Goa.
Okay, good. Now this is the page number we are going to read. Now what happened when they made? Now I'm reading from the book. You can look at the book. Now find Hispaniola on the map on page 84. After Columbus took Hispaniola, many more Spanish explorers went there to take land and gold for the king and queen of the Spain. Underline. Spanish means belonging to Spain. Many of the explorers went there to take gold for king and queen. A lot of them were soldiers. Most of them are the soldiers. They had cannons, underlined cannons and other guns, war horses and fighting dogs. When they were going, these were soldiers. So have these are with these things. Cannons. Cannon is used to fight with. It's a large gun with a type of a gun loading in it. Gun, cannons, underline cannons. And are you on page number?
86.
Handy. And other than war horses and fighting, they also start colonies. Puerto Rico and Cuba, but not in Bahamas. These are the places they have to make the colonies in Puerto Rico and Cuba. Underline, not in Bahamas. The king and queen of Spain gave the explorer land and gold. Underline. Now when they find these colonies, the king and queen of the Spain in return gave them to the explorer land and gold. Underline land and gold. This whole sentence. A chief of the native people led to a huge army against the.
Teacher, what is page number of question answers?
Yeah, I have shared the page. Look at the screen.
टीचर मुझे स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही.
हो जाती है अभी आपको. Who is saying that screen is not shared?
टीचर अब्दुल्ला.
Why? It is shared.
Teacher, it is not sharing on my screen.
And now you can share.
The screen is not sharing.
Okay, but I have shared the screen. It is visible now. Maybe there is some problem over there. And what about the rest of the children? Can you see?